Good morning. Happy Saturday, everyone. The puppies have been fed. Getting ready to go in and wash out Cooper's wrinkles and dry them and put nose butter on and clean his undercarriage and his hiney. Because if you don't know, French Bulldogs are the most high maintenance dog in the world. They can't reach nothing to clean nothing themselves, so you got to do it on a regular basis for them. They are cute. They're adorable. Cooper, look how cute. He is cute and he is adorable. He is a clown, and it's the wiki definition of a French Bulldog completely. We love him to death. But if you're not prepared to have basically a newborn for the rest of your life, do not get a French Bulldog. They're fun. We love them. We wouldn't trade them for a minute, but I get to stay home and take care of them on a regular basis. And that's his big brother, Duke. Duke is the reason Cooper came into our lives. He lost his litter mate and was acting really sad and depressed. Had never been an only dog. Had always had multiple dogs in his pack and didn't like being the only dog. And somebody where my husband worked had to rehome Cooper. So he brought Cooper home as a Christmas present to Duke, and it took 10 years off his life and brought him right out of that depression, and he is a happy big brother. So, yeah, Dookie, leave him. He's going bathroom. But yes, French Bulldogs are very high maintenance. Come on, Coop. Come on, Dookie. Good boy. Come on. They are very high maintenance. I just wanted to put this video out there because I had done several shorts for Cooper and a lot of people were viewing it, and I just wanted to let you know they are cute and they are adorable, but they also take work and time, and they are high maintenance, so don't be fooled by it. And you can't get away with not doing the work for them. If you don't clean out, wash out their wrinkles and dry them out for them, they can get really bad infections and cause all kinds of problems. And they already have breathing issues as it is because of how much they've been bred. Their snouts are just issues. That's the only way Cooper can clean his hiney is by dragging his hiney. Good boy, Cooper. But yeah, lots of high maintenance. He also has to have probiotic put on his food every morning. Otherwise, he'll be puking up all over the house. So yeah, they're high maintenance, but they are loves. They're big loves, and they're cute and they're adorable. And Dookie loves them, and we love them, and we're a happy little pack together. Yeah, Cooper, what you doing? What you doing? What are you doing? Well, come on. Oh, bring it here. Bring it here. Give me that. Give me that. He loves to play keep away. He will play fetch, but only when he wants to. Bring it here. You want me to throw it? Come on. Good boy. Release. Cooper, release. Release. All right. Good boy. Ready? Ready? Go get it. Good boy. Bring it here. Good boy. Release. Release. You need nose butter. Release. You have to put nose butter. That's from 2 days of no nose butter. It just gets crusty. You got to do it every day. I wasn't feeling well for a couple of days, so he didn't get his done. And he doesn't make it easy to do it either. He fights you the whole 10 yards, and it may look like he's easy to hold down, but he's not. He's all muscle. Come here, Cooper. It's like trying to put nose butter on a wrestler. Come here, Cooper. Release. Release. Cooper, release. Cooper's still a young boy. He's not even 2 yet. End October, beginning November, he'll be 2. So he's our baby. Release. Release. No tug of wars. It's not good for your body. You're not built for tug of wars. It's bad for your back. Come on. Release. Cooper, release. No, he's not going to give it up. He says, I am the champion. Cooper. You going to bring it here? You want me to throw it? Bring it here. Come on. No, he just wants to tease me with it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. You want it? Ready, set, go. Good boy. Bring it back. Bring it back. Good boy. Give me that. Give me that. Release. Drop. Drop. Go get it. And Dookie's not being ignored. Dookie don't play like Cooper does. Dookie didn't actually start playing with toys at all until after Cooper came here and showed him how to.